Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my kitchen series. I'm Steve the Bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a tiamia. The tiamia is a riff on a Mai Tai, just a slight variation, replacing one of the rums with Mezcal. So it's going to add some funky smoke to your cocktail. So first I'm going to start by juicing my lime. This one calls for 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils, and I don't think I'm even going to get enough lime juice out of this. And just add that lime juice into your cocktail shaker. So the tiamia is an anagram of Mai Tai, and also it translates to aunt, I believe, in Spanish, which was kind of like a fond name that Ivy Mix, the creator, used for one of her regulars at one of the bars she was working at. So Ivy Mix is the creator of the tiamia, and she's also the author of The Spirits of Latin America. So she loved working with Mezcal, and she was floating Mezcal on a lot of different cocktails and experimenting. And I think it was about 2010 when she loved floating Mezcal on Mai Tais in particular. And in about 2010, she committed to swapping out the rum agricole in their particular recipe, which is one of Trader Vic's iterations of the Mai Tai. So she swapped in the Mezcal in place of the rum agricole. She committed wholly to adding Mezcal into her Mai Tais. So 30 ml 1 ounce, and then 30 ml 1 ounce of a Jamaican rum. So she actually used a different Mezcal. I'll leave a reference to that in the description below. Then a 1/4 ounce, 7.5 ml of orange Curacao. So I'm using Pierre Ferrand Dry Curacao. Then we've got 1/2 ounce, 15 ml of Orgeat, almond syrup, and simple syrup. Add that into the cocktail shaker and add plenty of ice. Give it a shake for 12 to 15 seconds. So this one's going to be strained over pebble ice, and I mentioned in one of my recent videos that you can grab a hold of these pebble ice cube trays. They are brilliant. They're absolute pain to try and get the ice cubes out, but for tropical cocktails, tiki drinks, they work wonders. So 3/4 fill the glass with ice. Strain over the top, and then top it up with more ice. And for garnish, nice and simple, throw in a lime wheel, or in my case, I already have a couple of lime wedges cut up for my Coronas, so throw one of those in, and a sprig of mint. Give the glass a little bit of a whack, spank your mint, get the aromatics. And using pebble ice, so it's going to be much easier to drink with a straw. So there you have a tiamia, which is a Mezcal variation on a classic Mai Tai. Cheers. "100% the Mezcal is a hero. You get this nice smoky flavor. It's still a tropical cocktail. You still get those citrus notes, the almond characteristic to it. I love this. This is great. I'll leave a link to the Spirits of Latin America in case you want more Mezcal cocktails, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.